Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session, we're gonna see how we can install Python in Eclipse IDE and basically which is nothing but a PyDev. So we will see how we can configure in Eclipse and start writing up Python programs in Eclipse IDE. So let's get started and stay tuned for entire session so that you will understand and implement on the same. In the Eclipse IDE, you need to go to the help button here and you need to click on install new softwares. And here you can click on this work with, then you need to type a URL https. We need to type for PyDev, and this is the website that we need to select. And once we select, it will provide us what all the packages which is available. You can see here you need to click on this item here, PyDev, and all items to be selected. I think it is some issue with it, and we can do this way, and we can also use in another way, which is Eclipse Marketplace, because it is not showing all the packages within the PyDev with this. And I can go to Eclipse Marketplace and install it. We can use the both ways works fine, but for the safer side I will use the Eclipse Marketplace. So here you need to type for PyDev and hit enter. And this is the PyDev it is showing here. You need to click on install. I think it is already installed in my system. That is the reason it is not showing the packages. So you need to click on install, and then it will show you confirmation and terms and condition. Just accept it and click on install. It will restart your Eclipse IDE, and after that you need to come back here into Eclipse IDE after restart. And now using the files here, you're going to need to go to the files and click on new, and then you can select others option here. Under that you will see many options here, Git, Gradle, Maven, and then you will see the PyDev. So after successful installation of PyDev from Eclipse Marketplace or from the install new software, you need to go to the PyDev here and expand it, and you need to click on PyDev project. So you need to click on PyDev project, click on next, and we need to type here project name. So my project name is app1. So this is a project name that I'm using. Let me add some more here, Python. So app1 Python, and you need to use the project content as use default, and then you have this project types here. You need to select Python, and grammar version I will select as same as interpreter. You can select any other version also, but in my case I'm select same as interpreter version. And here you can see interpreter. So currently we need to configure. I mean, if you see that it is not been configured, you can click on here, click here to configure interpreter if it is not listed in the above drop down. So if it is not listed here, you need to click this option, and you can see this preferences option. So you can click on this option, and for the first time it will show interpreter is not configured. You need to configure that interpreter. So it is configured here. I will show you how I configured this interpreter here. You need to click on new option and go to browse for Python. And here, after browsing it, wherever Python is installed in your system. For example, in my case, I need to check where my Python is installed. For that, I will click on Windows R and CMD, and here I will type where Python. So you just need to see where the Python is installed. This is the location that I have Python in my system. I can copy that location, and you can come back to this browse option, and you need to paste that, and you just need to select Python or name that location what it is. I just need to mention Python. So like this, you need to mention the interpreter name and interpreter executable file path. You need to browse and keep. So as I already have it, it is saying that there is an existing one. I'll just cancel it. And after this, you need to click on apply and close. So this is the way that you can configure interpreter here. And I need to select this Python as an interpreter here, which is a name of the Python which I browsed and configured it, and add a project directory to the Python path. So this is the things that we need to select and click on finish. Now you can see in the project explorer section, you can see the PyDev package. You need to click on open. Now right click to this project and go to new. Under new, you need to select PyDev package. So this PyDev package can be of anything. I just given a name as demo here. Click finish. And after that, you need to click on this package and right click, go to new. Again, now you need to select PyDev module. So this PyDev module can be, I just say calc app, calculator app, and click on finish. And after this, it will provide you template selection option. You need to select empty template, or else based on your need and preferences, you can select the different templates here. In my case, I will select empty template and click on OK. And this will provide created and author details here. For to check whether we have done everything correctly or not, just we need to click on print. Welcome to Eclipse for Python program. Click save and right click here and go to run as. And if the Python is configured, then it will show you Python run. And if the Python run option is not displaying for you, then you need to see the configurations. You generally go to the Windows preferences and go to PyDev and select the interpreter and come back and try to see if it is running, I mean, it is listing or not for you in the run as. So I will run this program and you can see Python in the Eclipse for programming. So we have successfully configured Python in Eclipse IDE. So this is the way that we can configure PyDev into Eclipse. And we'll see some more examples in later sessions, but I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you have any questions, queries, or errors during installation or setup process, you can post comment in my comment section. I will help you out. And if the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with a colleague. Thank you for watching.